So today we're talking about parenting plans, and I want to help you understand what a parenting plan is and how it can impact you and the other parent and your child as you're going through a divorce or separation or ending a relationship with someone. So what is a parenting plan? A parenting plan or custody agreement is a document that outlines how you and your soon-to-be ex-spouse will co-parent your children after a divorce. It sets the ground rules so both of you are on the same page when it comes to parenting your children. It's going to ensure that your children's needs are met in a way that also works with your schedule and works with the needs of both you and your co-parent. It's going to help resolve conflicts and may keep you out of a contested court case. In order for your parenting plan to be binding, it does need to be part of a court order. So let's talk about the importance of a parenting plan. In Virginia, parenting plans are not required by law, but without one, you would be handing all your decisions concerning your children to a judge. And sometimes the judge is not going to understand the nuance in your life in the way that you do. So if you can reach an agreement with your children's other parent, you can have a tailor-made agreement as opposed to an agreement that's just set by a judge who doesn't fully understand all the ins and outs that go on in your life. So a parenting plan has three big pieces that we want to make sure we cover. So the first big piece is custody and visitation arrangements. So this is legal custody and physical custody. So this is going to be whether you have sole or joint custody and outline how each parent is going to spend time with the children. Most of the time in Virginia, unless a parent is extremely abusive, they're going to share the legal custody. But the big question is the physical custody, also called parenting time or visitation. And what is the schedule going to be for the child? When are pickups going to happen? Who's going to spend time with the child on the weekends? And who's going to have the child during the weekdays? Those kind of issues that are going to be handled through most of the year. Another important topic to cover is vacations, holidays, and special events. How are those going to be handled? Courts tend to split or alternate holidays, but maybe you find in your parenting plan that there's a better arrangement for you. Maybe you get one holiday and the other parent gets a different holiday, and that creates a win-win for your family and a little bit more detail and nuance than a judge may get into if you were to have a judge set the holiday schedule. So the strongest parenting plans have provisions on how parents can resolve their disagreements. So maybe you allocate decision-making authority, medical decisions to one parent, schooling decisions to another parent, and that could be a fair resolution that may work for your family. Another provision that people may use in order to resolve disagreements would be a mediation provision, requiring that the parties go to mediation to try to resolve their differences before they put themselves back in a courtroom. If you need help putting together a parenting plan, let us talk you through what your different options are and how you can put together a parenting plan that's going to work for your unique child and your unique child's needs.